What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video I got a Chevy truck that's getting wrapped in this TinyBot color. Really unique color, has a lot of flakes in it. The name of this color by TinyBot is Metal Paint Chrysophrase Green. Has some flakes in it. It's a pretty unique green. And yeah, it's made by TinyBot, which I'm not a big fan of, but you know, to each their own. One of the things that I don't really like about TinyBot, if you were to ask me, is the fact that it still peels whenever you do post heating. And I know post heating is very crucial with whatever vinyl that you work with. It's very crucial, it's a must. And with TinyBot, I even followed their post heating temperature instructions and it still peels. So I really do not know why. So this car is primered. Hopefully it doesn't act like that on a primered car, because on a painted car, which it shouldn't be acting, it still acts up. So we'll see. I don't know, it's still a mystery on why it's still peeling, like as if the attack is not there when you're trying to activate it. It's really weird. But anyways, let's get to it. All right, it just finished up the trunk, this part right here. Looking nice. All I got left is just both sides over here and on the other side. Got the whole front end finished except the roof, which I will finish all of this today. So hopefully today I'm gonna finish it. Show you guys a little bit over here. So I did have to two-piece it. So first I slit the wrap in here and just somehow managed to fit it in there without any like crease marks or anything like that. And then I just knifeless taped across this edge right here. And then I took the bigger roll and then just blended it in. So basically just a lot of finessing really. But so far it's coming out really good. Definitely better than it first came to me. So yeah, like I said, both doors are done in the front, the rear doors, the fender, the trunk. Today I will finish up the roof, on the sides, on the bed. That's it. So my goal today is to finish it, tomorrow to let him have it. Show you guys the color a little bit. It's in the shade, mostly in the shade right now, but once the sun hits it, it's crazy. There are some little oversprays on the headlight, on this grill. That's obviously when they got primered by somebody who did a pretty good job. I'll say probably 9 out of 10. There are some areas where I did have to do some sanding, but you know, I want to prep work it really good. The most important thing when you wrap a car is prep work. Just remember that. And then yeah, it's looking crazy how this color is actually nice. Good pick. So I can show you guys right here. The sun is hitting it. And then yeah, right here I did go all the way on the whole fender's wrapped. I didn't cut right here like most people do. I went in there because I know once you close the hood you might see some white. So it's very difficult not to show the primer, but it was a work truck and now it's going to be turned into a show car, or I'm sorry, show truck. And there you guys have it all finished. I was gonna do the chrome parts in the same color, but I unfortunately did not have enough, but I did have just enough to finish everything else. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys real quick what it looks like complete. Hardest part was like right here, honestly, because this is the first truck I'm ever doing. I never did a truck before, so I think I did a pretty good job, honestly. But the color is just, damn, it's unbelievable. It's like glossy and everything. I'm actually, you know what, I'm actually gonna give TinyBot some credit for this vinyl right here, this particular one. I don't know why the other vinyls were tripping out, but this one, it's not peeling for shit. Like, I'm actually surprised, which is really good, you know. I don't like to bash at companies, but whenever your vinyl's not doing the job, trust me, I'm gonna give you guys a little review for that. But yeah, for this one right here, this particular vinyl, I'm actually surprised. But yeah, you guys could take a little look around. Did the roof as well in one color, and also we were gonna do the rear chrome part in the same green. Honestly, just need some loving on the tail lights, getting some of this paint off around the trims, the oversprays, the headlight overspray, the grill, you know. In the meantime, I'm gonna do the bow tie, this front part emblem, which damn near looks like a bow tie, and that's it. I'm gonna wrap it in the same color, and the color is just crazy. The gloss, yo, it's like tech wrap stuff right here, super gloss stuff. He knows it's tech, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm actually happy with this vinyl. Working with it, 9 out of 10. The only fact that this car was primered, so some areas the primer was peeling off, which was giving me a headache. But you know, once you have the primer sitting for some time and getting baked by the sun, it's prone to happen. So you want to get it wrapped right away. Probably I'll say within 24 hours, obviously when it's dry. But yeah, had a blast with this car. So yeah, he's on his way. I'm gonna come at you guys when he's gonna be picking it up.
And there you guys have it. Did a bow tie. They came out to pick it up. There you go. So maybe we might wrap this truck even. And yeah. So he's gonna take it out in the sun right now because the sun came out. And I promised you guys I'm gonna show it to you. So take a look at it. Anyone's interested in this color, I'm gonna put the name in the bio. It's by TinyBot. But show you guys right here. Insane, crazy. Very nice color pick. Glad I got to work on this car. Anyways, like, subscribe, comment, you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.